Today we are taking our chapter number 5. The name of this chapter is Different Kinds of Materials and part 1 of this chapter. In this chapter they have given us different things about the acid. As we have discussed in our previous session, if we want to stay healthy, then we have to eat different types of food and get in different types of nutrients. So always you can observe when you eat food, the all type food have different taste. If when we eat any type of food, then we get different types of taste. For example, some have like sweet, then after some have also like sour. So all food have different types of taste. Why it happen? Because of they have acid in them, and because of this type of acid they have different types of taste. So when we eat food, we always get taste different from them. Chemical substance can be broadly classified, which chemical substance which will stay in food they have broadly classified as acidic, basic and neutral substances. They are broadly classified in different categories, and according to their categories we can get the taste from the food because of the chemical substances. The first part is acidic substances or acids. Acidic substances or acids which are living food or other things. When we eat different types of food, we can get taste from them are different. For example, vinegar, curd and lemon juice. When we eat vinegar, curd or lemon juice, we can feel they have different taste. These are sour in taste. These are sour in taste because of the presence of acid in them. They have acid present in them. Acetic acid is present in vinegar. You can see acetic acid is present in vinegar. Then after lactic acid is present in curd. Then after citric acid is present in lemon juice. In different fruit, the acid is present in different categories according to their chemical substances. Then after in your textbooks there will be given table 5.1. In this table you can see they have given the name of the acid and the substances and the name of the food in which we can find out this type of acid. I have written here the name of the acid. We have total 10 types of acid in our this chapter. When we eat food, we will get the different types of acids according to their chemical substances. We get acid, and according to this acid we feel taste, different types of taste from the food. We have total 10 types of acid here: acetic acid, then after ascorbic acid, citric acid, formic acid, lactic acid, hydrochloric acid, malic acid, oxalic acid, etc. You can see here I have written 10 types of acids which are available here. So acidic substances or acids, we always eat different types of food and we get different taste from these foods because of the substances, chemical substances which they have. So using this table you may be clear for the acid type of the acid which we will get from the basic substances or basic substances or bases. Have you ever tasted baking soda? If not tasted, they have not tasted in sour, you will find out it does not taste sour and thus has no acid in it. It is bitter in taste. If you have not tasted, then try. You will feel like this. Take a pinch of baking soda and rub it between your hands. take a pinch of soda, then after pinch between your hand, how does it feel? It feels soapy to touch. It feels soapy to touch. The chemical substances which are bitter in taste, the chemical substances which are bitter in taste and soapy to touch are called bases. The food which we have eat, they have different taste because of the chemical substances in this food. The chemical substances which are bitter in taste and soapy to touch, like soda, like baking soda, when we eat it, it is not in sour taste. But when we take some toast soda and then we take in our between two hands, after we feel soapy and touch, this type of feel touch are called bases. The chemical nature of such substances is basic. This type of is basic. Then after also given here the name of base and substances in which it is found. We have some type of name of base in how we get this type of substances in which it is found. First, sodium hydroxide. First is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide we can get from the soap. Soap which we have used for our different purposes. For our bathing we use soap. Then after, our mother is also used different types of for washing clothes. So we get sodium hydroxide from soap. Then after, ammonium hydroxide. Our next is base is ammonium hydroxide, and how we will get it? We will get it from the window cleaning sodium. We get it from the window cleaning sodium. For example, choline. We almost use choline for cleaning our window. This type of substances, from this type of substances which we can get the ammonium hydroxide. Then after, calcium hydroxide. Our next base is calcium hydroxide. How we get calcium hydroxide? We can get calcium hydroxide from the lime water. If we use lime water, then we get how types base? We can get the calcium hydroxide. Then after, potassium hydroxide. How we get potassium hydroxide? We can get potassium hydroxide from also soap. We can also get the sodium hydroxide and also as potassium hydroxide from the soap. Then after, magnesium hydroxide. How we will get the magnesium hydroxide? We will get the magnesium hydroxide from the milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia. Using this we can get the magnesium hydroxide. So students, here we have some name of bases and how we will get this type of bases. Here we have substances in which it is found. Here we have substances. Using these types of substances we can get the different bases. From soap we can get sodium hydroxide. Window cleaning solution, for example, choline, as we have used choline at our home to cleaning our window, mirror of our window. So from this window cleaning solution we can get the ammonium hydroxide. Then after, from lime water. From lime water we can get the calcium hydroxide. Then after, from soap, again soap, we can get the potassium hydroxide. And then after, milk of magnesia we can get magnesium hydroxide. Basic substances or bases. In this topic, the chemical substances which are bitter in taste and soapy to touch are called bases. The chemical nature of such substances is basic. The chemical which is these types in nature of substances is our basic. So students, first we have discussed about the name of acid. We have some type of acid, for example acetic acid, in which we can find out the acetic acid from the vinegar. Substances in which it is found acetic acid can be find out from the vinegar. Then after, our second type is ascorbic acid. How we will find? We will find it from the amla. Then after, citrus fruit. From this type of food we can find out this type of acid. Then after citric acid. How we will find out the citric acid? We can find out the citric acid from the citrus fruits such as lemon and orange. From this type of fruits we will get this type of acid. Then after we have also the formic acid. We will get formic acid from the ants slating or bee sling. We will get this from. Then after the lactic acid. How we will get lactic acid? From the salt milk curd we will get. Then after we have also the other type of acid. Also for this the table is given in your textbooks. Try to read. In front of this type of acid they have also given the substance of substance in which we will get this type of acid. So try to it and refer to it. You will see the different types of substances which have this type of acids. So in this lesson we have discussed about the acids. We will eat different type of food for getting different types of nutrients, and when we eat food we feel taste different, not same from the food. This happen because they have chemical substances in them. Then after in this chapter they have given in which type of food we get the which type of acid. Then after they have basic substances or bases. All chemical substances have base in them. The chemical substances which are bitter like baking soda, when we taste it they have not salt taste, but when we take it over between two hands and then we will feel soppy from the day. So like this substance is called a basis. The chemical nature of such substances is basic. Then after we have table. For using this table we will learn about the name of base. Then after how we these type of substances in which it is found. We have total 5 types of hydroxide: sodium, ammonium, calcium, potassium and magnesium. And using which substances we will get? Using soap, window cleaning solution. Almost you and I have seen window cleaning solution. Then after lime water also, soap also. Then after milk of magnesia. Using different types of things we will get the different types of base of. Our other topic is indicators. It is not possible to taste each and every substances to identify its chemical nature. It is not easy for us to taste everything. It is not possible to taste each and every substances to identify its chemical substance, because the food which we have ate they have different taste because of the chemical substances. But it is not easy to identify chemical substances by eating them. It may be dangerous to touch. It may be dangerous to touch each and every substances, the substance which we have used, but it is not easy to taste them. But sometime if we will touch them, it is dangerous for us by touching. To overcome this problem, special types of substances called indicators. To taste this type of chemical substances we have some types of substances. These are called indicators. Using indicators we will taste the chemical substances which they have. Indicators used to get to know the chemical substances, chemical nature of substances. Using indicators we can know the chemical substances, the chemical nature are the substances that are used to taste the acidic or basic nature of all substances. Indicators are always used to taste the chemical substances, used to taste the acid or basic nature of substances, of chemical substances. Indicators change their color. Indicators can change their color when added to an acidic or a basic solution. When we add them acidic or basic solution, the color of the indicators will be changed. Always we have discussed about the different types of chemical substances which we will get from the food. Then after we have discussed about the different types of acids, how we can get this type of acids using different substances as our food. Then after basic substances or bases, the chemical substances which are bitter in taste and soapy to touch are called bases. Then after we have also the name of base and substances in which it is found. Then about the indicators, it is not easy to taste every substance. Why it is happen, we you because it is dangerous to taste by touch. Then we use different types of indicators. These type of indicators are very useful to us. So in this session we have discussed about this thing. Now our next session we will discuss about the other thing of this chapter. Till then, take care. Now we will meet in our next session.